that this youngster must be showcased. And that is why you're here. Please, let's do this quickly. Please, who is in charge of this media? Please, let's. He attended the King's School. Ghana of Badland, Plateau State, where he completed his primary education and went further to Boys Secondary School, Kediri, Plateau State. While in Boys Secondary School, he followed his passion in science, technology, and innovation, actively participated in several science exhibitions which he excelled in. He is currently the Chief Executive Officer of Benin Technology. Benin Technology comprises of Benin Agro Company Limited and Benin Automobile Company. He successfully put Nigeria on the world map again by his innovation in what we've just seen of here, Ferrari. KBSC, I present you to a son from across the Niger, Jerry Isaac Malo, for the presentation of award. And may I humbly call on the minister and the ambassador to please come forward. So instead of us to call him Jerry Isaac Malo, we call him Jerry Isaac Malo Ferrari. Yes, I've just been informed now. He said the name of the guy is Puri, Jerry Puri. So that is our own. Please let's stand up and appreciate this youngster. Please continue to clap for him. Yes. The Johnsons. The star in other television series such as The Patriot, The Men in a Live, Hammer, Story Waters, and your son. Mr. The Honorable Minister, the Vice Chancellor, may I please humbly ask that the present awards to Olumide Owuru, Mr. Alvin Abayomi Tuashi, Chancellor, the Honorable Minister of Youth and Sports, for the presentation of awards to these dynamic youngsters.
Mr. David Adeyemi and Mr. Ayo Bankole Akintudoye. Mr. David Adeyemi. David Oluwatobiloba Adeyemi, an innovator, two-time guest speaker, United Nations Online Volunteer, Youth Industrial Leader and Advisor for Light Up Africa, Entrepreneur, International Youth Ambassador, and 2018 Lead African Fellow. Jarrett, with the kind permission of His Imperial Majesty, I call on you, Minister, sir, and the Vice Chancellor for the presentation of award. Mr. Akiola Stephen. Thank you very much, Shola Animashaun. Thank you very much.
Our courtesy is being extended. Shola Animashaun is a multi-award winning professional Nigerian photographer, specializing in editorial and commercial photography. He's also into wedding. Turned down a lucrative job in a accounting firm for the love of photography. He's also a member of Professional Photographers of America, PPA. Shola Animashaun teaches photography in his photography academy, Shola Animashaun Academy, which is an extension of his personal Shola Animashaun photography practice. Your Imperial Majesty, I present this young Nigerian who is a role model to those in entrepreneurial skills for the presentation of his awards. Humbly, with due respect, call on the Minister of Youth and Sport, followed by the Vice Chancellor and His Excellency the Ambassador.
So please, Mr. Please permit me to call on Mr. Victor with the mark.
Sheyi Charlotte Olofinjana is a Nigerian former footballer who played as a midfielder. Olufajana began his career with local sides, Crown and Kwara United, before moving to Europe with Norwegian side, SK Brann. After two sessions at Brann, he moved to English club, Wolverhampton Wanderers. As part of his new role as loan pathway manager, he oversees that was up and coming players, as well as first team stars, have all their needs covered as they spend time playing their football away from the limits. KBC. Represent this your dark skin, ebony, tall, attractive football for the presentation of the award. Behind call of the Vice Chancellor and the Honorable Minister of Youth and Sports for the presentation of awards and certificates.
Please permit me to call on this wonderful woman, Derek Fabric, please step forward for our award.
The Honorable Minister and the Vice Chancellor, please.
Happy people, live your life, you are so contagious.
Derek Fabric.
Happy people, live your life, you are so contagious.
May I call on the ambassador to please join them? Your Excellency, please join them. Okay, thank you, sir. Boys, Derek Fabric.